Overall, what are my impressions of the Neo2? Pleasant surprise. Let's get cracking. First we will do all the quick shots. Then I will try the gestures. And last but not least, I will let the Neo2 to track me around this trail here. So let's get going. I will put you in the spotlight here. So spotlight we've got. This is really the first one that I'm doing, okay? I only had it on at home to activate it, and that was more or less what I've done so far. So Boomerang, helix, spotlight, dolly zoom, rocket, circle, dronie, selfie shot, and a cycling follow. We can do spotlight from the other angle, for example here. On the first... what you did? Oh, it wants to do the hand gestures. No, just follow, okay? Okay. It reacts already on the hand gestures. I didn't expect that because I'm not used to it yet, but this is quite cool. I thought it would be like a little bit of a gimmick, right? But it's actually quite cool. And keep in mind, I'm doing the hand gestures for the first time, okay? I didn't practice that, I only read how it's done. You just do a gesture, you move it where you want it to be, and that's it. Also, what I wanted to say, noticeably, Neo2 is quieter. This one, the Neo 1, has this high-pitched noise. You can hear that probably on the camera like this if I am closer to it. Whereas this one, much quieter, I like it. So, that is the spotlight and the hand gesture control, I love it. Let's do the fancy dolly zoom, okay. Does it have any options? Dolly zoom. Okay, then let's go. The one feature that Neo 1 didn't have compared to the Hoover Air drones. And it's actually quite a cool one. Not necessarily that you wouldn't be able to live without it, but it's quite a nice one that can be added to your sets of shots. What's next? Circle we can do. So 6 meter circle. I can spin with him because I want to see whether he crashes any of the trees over there. Oh, that was still far enough, okay. 10 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1. I don't know, my friend. Careful. This might be the Neo2's first crash onto either this tree or that tree. Yeah, as soon as he spots me, he goes with me, and okay, this is clever. So he locked onto me and started following me. This is cool. I love this. What did Neo 1 do? Okay, battery. So in the past, when you would have set your Neo 1 to circle 10 meters and there would be obstacles like they are here, he would just crash into it because he doesn't have any optical avoidance whatsoever. This one has the camera here and here, so basically he can do the optical avoidance fairly nicely. So Neo 1, back to spotlight mode. I wait for him to start recording. No, he doesn't have the gestures. These are so much addictive. And let's continue with you, my little boy. So what else have we got here? Rocket, 20 meters. How? 20? Oh, let's do it. So that is 20 meters rocket. I think the combination of these two. This one is a flying cameraman for the B-roll. This one for all the advanced moves and all this. Oh, you are fast. Come on, little boy. Dronie, 20 meters we can do like this here. And rise. And the 20 meters is maximum? 2 meters, 10 meters. Yes. Over there. Oh, it's getting dark. He's much faster as well, flying the dronie there and back. That is also nice. But don't worry, you are still good drone as well. Okay, so that is dronie. Setting selfie shot. What is selfie shot? Alright, so he obviously does 3 photos of you in a selfie mode. That is cool as well. Boomerang. If I do 6 meters, I can do boomerang 6 meters.
Boomerang. 3, 2, 1.
What else we've got? Helix 20 meter helix I cannot do here. Only if I would be able to maybe do it from here. I love the helix shot. That is, to me, that was one of the most used shots that I've been doing with the Neo, with the Neo1. I love helix. It's how it spins in the spiral and reveals the backdrop, the background. That to me is most useful shots that you can do with your drone. I think you all are waiting for on how the Neo can track me, if at all. Taking these batteries out from the charger is a little bit difficult. So for the tracking, first thing I will do, I will just ride around here and let him track me. And then onto this trail over there, that into the woodlands, to see how he does it in a very bad low light condition, no texture whatsoever, almost darkness. We will try to go all the way, see if I lose him or not. And yeah, that's the idea. Cycling, follow, flat, far. I can hear him behind me, so he should still be fine. I just put this camera a little bit up so that you can see me here as well. Slippery. I can still hear him behind me. If it was Neo 1, I would have lost him already. Still there, that's impressive. I think the tracking improved massively. Let's see what we can do here then. I can't see him. No, he's there. Okay. I'm wondering whether he makes it through this tight space. Looks like he does. He does well still. I love that. If I won't lose him here, I will consider this test as very, very, very successful. He's still behind me. That's impressive. How about the forward track then? Can he do it as well? A little bit struggling to adjust on the speed between us, but that's fairly impressive as well. Oh, this is good. Oh, nearly crashed there. This is good. I love that. What he does, it doesn't look pretty, and he literally tries to follow me from the side because I told him so. He does well. He does well there. So I will bring him closer to me. Horse is over there, so just don't want to disturb too much. Still fairly okay size of a drone just to throw it into tank bag. Oh, I can barely see anything now. Okay, so now oh, here it will be a little bit of fighting, because it's really muddy. That was good. Overall, what are my impressions of the Neo2? Pleasant surprise. Quieter, sturdier, because it's a little bit heavier. The battery consumption side to side when Neo 1 is flying just in the spotlight mode to track me, to film me what I'm doing with this one, and this one's doing the heavy lifting, all the quick shots and all that heavier flying. I actually think battery consumption here better. The quick shots, look, they worked pretty nice over here as well. Here they've added a couple of those fancy ones that were missing before, so that's good. But where this one seems to be better is in two things: the 2-axis gimbal and how it tracks you. That is a game changer. Faster and more reliable due to the optical avoidance, due to the sensors at the bottom and on the top. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I know you cannot see me because I'm merely a ghost now, because there is literally no light, but thanks for watching and I see you next time.